Today on Fly Rod Chronicles, I am back in Fort Smith, Montana with guide Dave Palumbo. Join us as we hammer some beautiful collared up fall browns and rainbows on our float down the legendary Bighorn River. Stick around.
It's a life that I love.
We're on Little River, and right there is what she's about, boys.
Am I happy? Look at that! Welcome to Alaska! Woo-hoo, look at that! There he goes, Steve! Look at that, baby! Yeah! That's bigger than Dollywood! That is incredible, isn't it?
Hey, I'm Curtis Fleming. Come along on my journey as I pursue my lifetime passion for the art of fly fishing. Join my friends, special guests, and I as we explore waters both far away and close to home. These are my Fly Rod Chronicles. Welcome to Fly Rod Chronicles. We're in Fort Smith, Montana, out here on the Bighorn River. Come along with us today as we float down about 7 miles on the Bighorn and catch some big browns and rainbows. The Bighorn is legendary for its dense population of rainbows and browns, as well as picturesque scenery as you float through the rolling plains of the Crow Indian Reservation. Nymphing rigs dominate most of the fishing with a two-fly setup using size 18 scuds and flashbacks, or a Ray Charles pattern drifting behind a balloon indicator. Oh, yeah. Rainbow, huh? You're right, they like hiding under your boat, don't they? Yes, sir, baby. Thank you, Big Dave. Steve, can you see him? All right, first of many, Dave. Hey, he's ready. Let me get a little fish slime on your hands here. Thank you, brother.
You bet.
Nice. With clear, cold tailwater spilling out of the Yellowtail Dam year-round and plentiful food sources including freshwater shrimp and massive insect hatches, the river provides an ideal environment for trout to breed and grow at a rapid rate. Welcome to Montana, huh? The Bighorn. Nice rainbow. Woo! Straight under the boat, huh? Show yourself, fish. Come on. This is a TV show. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Chunky. He's been eating, hasn't he? He's getting ready for the winter. Oh, wow. Whew. The vegetation on the bottom is heavy in the fall, so you have to use what the guides like to call the Bighorn slap between casts to clear your flies of grass. We got us a diver. Yep. Oh, yeah.
Down the grass.
Yep, he's taking a little grass with him. Oh, yeah. It's a brown trout, Big Dave. Yes, sir. Getting these fall collars on, isn't he? As you call it, his tuxedo. Huh? Oh, man. He said, see ya. Oh, yeah. Another one of your rainbows. Go.
Big league.
This is definitely big leagues. This is stepping into the big park here. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Off your hook, brother.
Ah, man. How cool is that? Oh, yeah. There you go, brother. Nice rainbow. Yes, sir. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that rainbow. Very nice. Let's get this guy back in. Oh yeah, ready to go. Let's take a break on Fly Rod Chronicles. Come back right after this.
Jenny. Hit it.
Oh, oh. You guys are good luck, aren't you? Oh, he wants in the boat. Oh yeah, he went for the worm. Very nice, Dave. How brilliant is that? Huh? That looks like the old 64 box of Crayolas right there. It's got everything in it. Man. Not that my teachers ever gave me 64. I was only allowed the General 8 standard collars, but my goodness, that was beautiful. Ooh, that's solid. Ooh, that's solid. He wants back in the boat. These fish they boat rush you, don't they? They just plain out boat rush you. The bitter old boat rushing fish in the bitter.
I think once they get off that way a couple times, it's like, note to self.
Yeah.
My pea brain can figure this out and do that again.
Oh man, how much fun is this? Go on, Steve, I'm gonna have to come over on this side of the boat on this guy. He's wanting downstream. Dave, that is too cool, brother, too cool. Oh, it's good look. Oh, he's not done. Oh, he's off at the last second. Oh man.
He was ours.
Look, that fish is, I told you he's bitter. He got me all wrapped up and all crazy. Just totally, look at that. Daggone, this is fun, man. Oh, this is. Oh, it's a good fish too. Oh, yes. Oh, he's a nice rainbow. Yep, we're going for a ride here. Man, I'm telling you what. Oh, there you go. Look at this guy. Yes! Oh, that was that was nice. Oh, man. Look here. Hey, he lived down in the grass, didn't he? Huh? Look at that. Ah, how beautiful is that? Man.
Purple.
Daggone. Tell you what, I bet my old principal's watching this show right now going, man, I'm glad Curtis skipped all them days in school. It paid off. This is not the educational segment of the show or anything. Oh, that's awesome, man. That's good stuff. Ooh, fish. Come on up there. Oh, yeah. So is that the Bighorn brown? Yeah, another brownie. Oh, yeah. Good snag.
Yeah, these nets are nice. But you don't really have to touch them.
You know what? Yeah, we don't have to touch a fish right there. If you put him back in that, I just want to show everyone what we're catching him on, but go ahead and put him back there. Yeah. All right, you ready?
The top fly is a San Juan worm, is what we call it, but it looks like an aquatic annelid, which is it's a worm that lives in the water its whole life. It kind of looks like an earthworm, but they're a little smaller and thinner.
Right.
When it gets real grassy like this, it's a good fly.
Yep.
And the bottom one's a soft tackle sow bug.
Right.
And the sow bug's another crustacean, kind of like a scud.
Yeah.
Which is a freshwater shrimp.
Yep.
The sow bug looks almost just like that. Actually looks a lot like a small shrimp as well.
What size is that sow bug?
That's a 16.
16,
And this is on like a size 12 hook,
Yep.
I think.
Okay, very cool. Yes, oh yeah. That's Big Daddy right there, daggone. We just talked about the magic wand. You must have waved it. You must have waved it. I'll tell you what, hey, that's a Ben right there, isn't it? Huh? Look at that. That is a fighting fool. Daggone. I mean, I've got the hammer on him. Look at that. He just won't give up. You're thinking I got a snag, aren't you? Huh? Look at this. Oh, there he is, I can see him. You know what? Oh, he's got a little salad with him, but daggone. Okay, I'm gonna bring him right around to you. Maybe. Yes! Oh, nice. Good deal. Oh, there you go. Oh, man. That's a pig. All right, let's get him back in the Bighorn. Oh, he's saying, I'm tired of you, man. Get me back. Made one mistake today. Woo. All right, let's take a break. We'll be back right after this with Fly Rod Chronicles. That's a good fish. Oh, he's a good fish. Seriously, man, I need to touch one. I haven't touched one here in a while, have I, Big Dave? Oh yeah, feisty. Acrobatic little didn't he? There we go. That's the future of the Bighorn right there, huh? Ooh, fish, baby, fish. He's a French fryer, but he's a jumper. I got him, brother. Right there. Look here, Steve. There he is. Hey, I gotta show you this. Soft tackle.
Ray Charles.
That's got a story to it there.
Yep.
Oh, geez. Oh. I think this is, oh yeah, this is what you come to the Bighorn about right here. Welcome back to Fly Rod Chronicles on the Bighorn in Montana. The Bighorn and Fort Smith region is steeped in old American Western history. The great Crow warrior Chief Pretty Eagle, who battled the U.S. government during the 1800s, is buried overlooking the picturesque Bighorn Canyon and Yellowtail Dam. The infamous Custer's Last Stand, the Battle of the Little Bighorn, known by the Native Americans as the Battle of the Greasy Grass, was fought between the Lakota, Northern Cheyenne, and Arapaho, led by Crazy Horse, against the 7th Cavalry in 1876 near the Little Bighorn River. There you go, good. Oh, nice, man. I felt him at the back of that, just barely felt him. Oh! Can you show that again? Can you show it, but like superimpose that fish? Ain't gonna happen, is it?
Make it a little bigger.
Just a little bigger on that one. But I tell you what, I catch those all day long. Little brownie.
The brown was probably born last fall.
Last fall right here, huh?
Probably born in the wintertime, like December, January.
Where's these great granddaddy? Ooh, oh, geez. Oh. I think it's a good fish. I think it's, oh yeah, this is what you come to the Bighorn about right here. Bring the net, the gaff, and the scales, because this is the big one. This right here is why we come to Montana. Oh, come on, baby. I want to see this one. Steve, he come up one time. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a real nice. Look at this, look at this. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need Dave, my net man guide on this one. I'm locked in, dude. Look at this, look at this. Oh man, I mean, he is taking the TFO and putting the bend to him, baby. Man, we haven't got a real good look at him, but you can just tell, I mean, see? Oh yeah, yeah. Oh. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take it real easy on him. Dave, I'm gonna let you work right behind him. Oh, this ain't good. Oh, baby! Montana Bighorn! What do you think of that one? Oh, is that a big male? Oh, man. Lord, look at this guy. Oh, nice. There he is, there he is. Yep, yep. Oh, that's another good fish. Jeez, whiz. Can you say backing? Can you say backing? You know what? It's the fish's fault. He is just not being generous at all. We have not seen this fish yet. So, oh, he's kind of having his way with us, isn't he? Still have not seen this fish. I just saw a glimpse. He looks like, that's what he looks like, is a brown. Oh my. Oh, is he? He's got his fall tuxedo on. Look at that.
He's almost ready for the prize.
Yes, he is. Oh man.
Male.
Male. Yeah, yeah. I'm not putting my hands in that mouth. He's a teethy critter.
You got some pretty nice looking
yeah. Yes, he does. Oh man. He said, see ya. Look at that. Wow. You know, that's why people come to Montana right there, huh?
Indeed.
On the Bighorn. If you can't come out here and have a good time by catching a fish like that, there's nothing to make you happy, is there? Nothing in the world.
Thanks for hanging out this week with Fly Rod Chronicles on the legendary Bighorn. We'll see you next week.